Present perfect simple tense. Active and passive. Forms. 1. Affirmative form. Active. I, we, they, you, plus have, plus past participle. He, she, it, plus has, plus past participle. Examples. Pupils have made noise. Sandra has written a report. Passive. Object plus has, have, plus been, plus past participle, plus by plus subject. Notice that by plus subject is optional. Examples. Noise has been made by pupils. A report has been written by Sandra. 2. Negative form. Active. I, we, they, you, plus haven't, plus past participle. He, she, it hasn't, plus past participle. Examples. I haven't sent emails. She hasn't read a magazine. Passive. Object plus haven't, hasn't, plus been, plus past participle. Examples. Emails haven't been sent by me. A magazine hasn't been read by her.